Now, as you can see, in the last 14 days, I've actually generated over $2,400 in Clickbank affiliate commissions. Now, in this video today, I want to show you how to find a high converting product on Clickbank and then how you would actually sell that product to start generating $100 to $500 per day. We're starting right now. Hey, what's up guys? If this is the very first time you come to my channel, you have no idea who I am. My name is John McNeil, and on this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing, entrepreneurship, and making money online. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel and click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now again, guys, in this video today, I'm gonna be walking you through how you actually find a Clickbank product and how you actually go about selling that product and generating $100 to $500 a day. You don't want to miss this one. Stay to the end of it because you don't want to miss anything. Let's jump right into it. All right, guys, so we're actually here in Clickbank, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to actually find a high converting product that you're going to be able to sell. Now, the first key to finding a high converting product is you want to ensure that A, the product is selling, and B, the product is going to pay you enough commissions to actually generate $100 to $500 per day in affiliate commissions. So the best way to do that is just to click on this little magnifying glass. Here you're at the marketplace. Here you just click on the marketplace, you click on this little magnifying glass, and then what that is going to do is basically bring up all the popular products that are selling on Clickbank as a whole. So throughout all the different categories, especially if you don't have a specific particular niche that you want to sell in, but it's going to bring up the most popular products that are on Clickbank right now. Now, what we're going to do, since we brought up all the popular products, we're going to go ahead and click on Advanced Search. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to where it says Initial Sale, and we want to click that little box, and then it's going to say higher than, and we're going to put in $100 because we want to basically make $100 per sale every time we sell one of these products. So then all you have to do is click on Search. And then now we actually have all the products here on Clickbank that are the most popular, that have high gravity, and you can actually make $100 per sale. So this is actually setting yourself up for great commissions because these are high converting products and you can actually make 100 plus per sale. So as you actually look at these different products, you got Research. It has, you can make $102 per sale. The gravity on that is insane. You have Leptoconnect, whatever that is. I'm not really sure what that is. That has a pretty high gravity as well, 253, and you can make $103. You have Fat Flusher Diet, $104, has a high gravity too, 163. Clickbank University. So if you guys don't know about Clickbank University, this is basically a product that Clickbank has created and a lot of people make money with it. Average sales is $270. You have My Online Startup Program. This is an actual affiliate program that I've been promoting, and that's where you actually saw that $2,400. The bulk of that money came from this program, and this is a private affiliate program. And one of the reasons why I like private affiliate programs is that every person can't sell it. You have to be authorized to sell it, and that's why I kind of like private affiliate products, because I'm not competing with so many different affiliates, because basically anybody can come in here. There's thousands and thousands and thousands of people that are coming on to Clickbank every single day, and they're trying to sell all of these products. And it's not that you still can't sell the products if multiple affiliates are selling it. We see it here in the Clickbank marketplace, but when you can kind of minimize some of your competition, it just makes it a little bit easier. So you got Commission Hero. This is a Facebook product. Average sale 436. You have Top Tendonitis Offer 102. The Fast Tracks. This is a 466. This is probably a high converting webinar. You have Simple Wi-Fi Profits 461. So you have Super Affiliate System. I've actually sold this a number of times as well. This is the John Crestani product. This teaches you about paid traffic. So essentially, guys, what you would do is you would basically go through here and you would find one of these products that resonated with you, that you feel like you could sell. And if I personally was you, I would actually purchase the product just because it helps with the whole selling process, and that resonates through your marketing, it resonates through your sales funnels. Just imagine if somebody is asking you about a movie, right? And say you're telling somebody about a movie that someone told you about. So you're trying to explain what happened in this movie, but somebody just told you about it. But versus you actually watched the movie for yourself and you have firsthand experience and knowledge of what happened into the movie. So you're going to be able to get more information, more detailed information about what happened in the movie and all the little intricacies. So that's the same thing that applies in your affiliate marketing business. If you basically go through the product and know exactly what's in it, you're going to be able to sell it a lot easier through your marketing, through your ad copy, through your email follow-ups. And even if you're doing some high-end consulting, you're going to be able to sell these products a lot easier because you've experienced it for yourself. So that's just something that I would suggest that you do. So you now have the product that you want to sell. You know that you can make at least a minimum of $100 per sale. What do you do next? That's what we're going to jump into now. All right, so I jumped on and I got my little trusty whiteboard again. And so what we're going to do now is basically we're going to say that we have our product, right? And so our product is basically over here. And we know that we're going to make a minimum of $100 when we sell this product. So basically, what do we need to do now? What we need to do now is we have to do a few things before we actually sell this product. So the first thing we need to do is we have to come over here and we need to get traffic, right? Now, obviously, this isn't a video on all the methods to get traffic. We could actually be talking about getting traffic for an hour, but there's multiple ways to get traffic. There's free ways, there's paid ways. The main thing you want to do is you want to figure out where your target market is hanging out at. So whether you're selling a fitness offer, a dating offer, or a make money online offer, where is the traffic at? Are they on Facebook? Are they on YouTube? Are they on Twitter? Are they on Instagram? Are there various traffic networks that you can tap into to get traffic to your website? Can you blog? Can you do pay-per-click? There's tons of different ways to get traffic. So if you guys don't know how to get traffic, if you haven't figured out or solidified at least one paid way to get traffic and one free way to get traffic, because I always recommend you learn at least two, a paid way and a free way traffic. You gotta get educated. You have to get the knowledge in order to be a successful affiliate marketer. If you don't learn how to get traffic, guys, then you're going to fail doing this business. So first thing, get the traffic. And then once you get the traffic, before we actually just send it over to the product, of course, we want to put something in front of this. And this is where you basically have your business starting. And what this is called is your squeeze page. So what you're going to be doing is basically collecting emails of individuals that are interested in this particular product. Because when you take this traffic, whether you're doing free or paid traffic, and if you sent them directly to this product, you know, a big percentage of these people aren't going to buy on the first time seeing this product. So if you were paying for it, you just lost out on a lot of money. Or even if you're doing it the free way, you're still losing, you know, time and productivity because you're not capturing emails. The reason why we want to capture emails is because we come down here and we do email marketing, right? And so what email marketing basically is we're going to basically build some trust and rapport through our emails that are going to be going out. So say, for instance, the traffic is sent, we get the email, now they're going through our email follow-up sequence. You know, you may have some people actually purchase the product, but then they're going to start getting these emails. So you got email 1, you got email 2, email 3, email 4. And what you're doing in these emails is essentially you're just building up more trust and rapport so that you can actually push them back to this product and hopefully make the sale. So the more exposures that the people have to this product, the more rapport, the more value you bring in your email follow-ups, the more actual money that you can actually make, $100 to $500 from this product that you're actually going to sell. Now, the next phase of the strategy is to basically get these individuals that have gone onto your list to make more money for yourself. Because when you think about it, some of these people that are coming through your funnel, some are actually going to buy this product here, but some won't, and probably the majority won't. So what you really want to do is, just because they didn't buy this product doesn't mean that they may not buy further products from you in the future. So what you want to do is you want to basically take all the people that have come through this funnel and you want to basically put them into what we call a hub, right? So a hub is basically just like, it could be a membership site, it could be your blog, it could be like a Facebook group. And this is just basically a place to just build rapport, right? So you're going to be building more rapport, you're going to be giving more value, more content, and just basically trying to build up more trust with these individuals that are coming into your hub. And the reason why you want to do that is because while you're giving training and while you're giving value to those individuals that are in your hub, one is doing a couple things. You're branding yourself. So that means you're building up trust. The second thing is you could also have, other products and services in this hub. So we can say multiple streams of income, as well as you could be taking them to other, I call them like money machines, right? So you can, inside your hub, have other funnels, other business opportunities. So you can have other products. So they could be messing around in your hub and they can be going through training. They could be, getting value, building up that rapport. You're branding yourself, you're building up that trust. And then you may have people that purchase other products and tools from you. And then these other money making machines, like other funnels, other business opportunities that you can push them into, because then you can start to make more money from other products, 100 plus per day. Because again, some of these people may not resonate with this first product, but they may resonate with another product that's here, like in your money funnels, right? So I hope that made sense, guys. I know that my writing is not the best and I've been trying to get better with drawing out on this little board, but bear with me, I'm still learning on it. But if you guys need some help with training with affiliate marketing, if you want to learn how to get traffic and how to build a squeeze page and more about how to pick an offer and do email marketing and creating a hub and getting branding and creating your own money machines, I'll definitely have some training in the link in the description for you. It's free. You can actually just sign up and start going through some affiliate marketing training. It's going to teach you how to do all of this stuff and how to become an authority in your space. So make sure you check that link in the description, and I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.